So we keep solving our physics subject GRE. Okay, so 39. So they give you a graph and ask you about gain. Basically, say some constant. You have k constant, so we can guess that G is equal to k omega A. Why I can guess this? Because I see the answer, right? Yes, B, C, D, E, which looks answer should be one of them. And this is a technique you need to use. You should first see the choice and guess what is the answer to be. So I can that I use n, right? Okay, so the rest is stupid that we just choose 2 points and plug in, then done, right? So 1 point it looks okay, it's 100, right? It's exactly here. So we have 100 equals omega equals to what? 3 times 10 to the 5th. So okay, and another point I think here is okay, right? Here is 110 k times to 10 to the 6th, right? So how about we solve this n, right? Once we solve n, then we are done, right? So this divided by this, we get 10. This is that divided by this, we get this. Okay, so we use the standard technique. We take a log of basis of 10, so we get 1 log n 3 times 5n minus 6n. So we have log 3. Log 3 is 0.471. You need to remember somehow remember the 3 digits. Okay, so you have this one, right? So this is minus 1 plus this, and we can assume that this is close to 0.5. So this is minus n over 2. So I tell you n is close to minus 2, although it's not exactly, right? So which one is minus 2? Which one is minus 2? So the answer is E. The answer is E. The answer is E. Basically, that's it. Because in the test, I really need to solve it very quickly, right? And basically, once you solve 2 points, you can plug this point to test whether it's correct. I think it's correct. Okay, so that's 39. And be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.